How to save a document in MS Word using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple way and an easy way to save a document in MS Word. First of all, open up Microsoft Word application on your mobile phone or tablet and then log in. Once you're logged into the home page, open up the document you are working on, or you can also create a new one. I'm just opening up one of these documents over here. Once you open it up, go ahead and make necessary changes in your document. After doing so, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. Now, on the More Options page, click on Save. After you do that, you'll be able to save the change. If you want to enable autosave, then tap the three dots at the top right to open up the More Options page and toggle on the button right next to autosave. After you do that, once you make any kind of changes to your document, go to the top left and click on Done. And if you cross out your document, you'll be able to save the changes automatically. So that is how you save a document in MS Word or Microsoft Word. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.